Hello everybody, this is Lawnmower Detective, and I'm here to show you something that might just make your life a little bit easier. So stay tuned. Well, alright. Those of you who drive pickup trucks or borrow your brother-in-law's pickup truck and you hate it when it does this, that's just a pain in the butt, isn't it? The tailgate just comes smashing down. So if you're tired of that and you don't like that at all, get yourself one of these. I'll put a link in the description. Now, after installing my Tailgate Assist shock, this is my tailgate. Nice and easy. Yeah, it mounts so easy, like 3 minutes. There's a plate that goes behind that. There's your gas shock. And then there's a plate that goes here. It comes with a nutsert for this part here, so follow the instructions, and that's it. Let me show you that one more time. All right, let me step back a little bit this time. You ready? Look at that, just that fancy little thing. All right. Well, don't say I never showed you nothing. Don't forget, it's donut time.
It has been a pleasure having you all here. Please don't forget to give this video a like and please subscribe. Last but not least, click the notification bell so you will know when new videos are posted. Thanks to all of you for your support.